two of the biggest things with your insurance policy you want to decipher and make sure you know the difference between is your ACV and your RCV. ACV is your actual cash value. RCV is your replacement cash value. The difference between the two, one, you're going to have depreciation. With your ACV, they're going to have depreciation. So if your home, for an example, let's just say the roof, estimate was $10,000, but your roof is, 10 years old, they're going to say a third of the life expectancy is over. So they're going to take, $3,500 basically off of that $10,000 estimate and give you the remainder once it's done. Versus your RCB is they're going to do a full payout minus your deductible. So those are the two biggest, differences you want to make sure you understand when making that claim and just updating your insurance policy in general. Those are going to be your biggest, cost differences. The best way for the homeowner to really ensure that is going to be speaking with their insurance agent and having them go through all the policies and explaining that to them. For the roofing contractor, we can help with that paperwork when they make the claim. We're pretty skilled at going through all of that and walking them through the process of here's what the estimate is going to be. This is what your insurance is willing to pay. Here's your deductible. This is what you'll have to pay out of pocket. But that, of course, is after they've already made the claim, and it would be too late to change up any of your, to change your insurance policy. So to be proactive, I would say maybe even if it's just every other year to meet with your insurance agent and just make sure everything is up to par. Because insurance companies are always making different changes, trying to get you better rates. Well, there's always a cost to that. By lowering your rate, you're losing somewhere else. So those are things you really want to, look at when your policy is renewed and your rates are cheaper. You need to decipher why and just meet with that agent and try to stay ahead of that for, when these times come and you really need to use that insurance. Some of the common exclusions that you would need to be aware of would be a cosmetic endorsement. If you have like a metal roof and it has any dings or dents in it from hail damage, your insurance company will say that your roof is still going to perform as it should. It's just not cosmetically pleasing. It just doesn't look as well as it should, but it's not affected. It's still going to perform the same. Certain insurance companies will change your deductible to a percentage of your home value. That's a really big one that homeowners need to be aware of, because when they change that for your deductible, let's just say they do 5% of the value of your home. Well, if you have a $500,000 home, that's a huge deductible that homeowners a lot of times are not aware of, that they may even just be able to pay for the cost of the roof just out of pocket. It wouldn't even meet the price of their deductible. So I would say that's a really large one that a lot of industries, insurance industries are changing and driving the deductibles to a percentage of the home value.